Well, it has been 100 days since the January 6th riots in our nation's capital. Good evening, I'm Sarah Diamond.
And I'm Josh Smith. Thank you for joining us on this Friday night. Armed protesters stormed the Capitol building, angry about the election of President Joe Biden. Tonight, this man, 41-year-old Albuquerque Cosper, head of Kingsport, is in jail. He's charged with the assault of a Metropolitan Police officer as well as other crimes committed during the breach.
News Channel 11's Bianca MARAIS joins us now from our Kingsport bureau and tells us what is next in the case. Bianca?
Josh and Sarah, I spoke with Northeast State's criminal justice professor Eric Stanton about this case. He says being indicted is only the first step after this one man being charged with 13 different crimes so long after they occurred.
And the reason why it's taken a while is there was so much chaos in that day in January, and there's so many people involved, and there was so much evidence. It just takes time to sift through this evidence.
Stanton says social media, witness accounts, or others facing charges and pointing the finger at the Kingsport man could all have led to Albuquerque head's arrest.
The FBI and the other investigating agencies have to take time and make sure that the evidence that they're obtaining, they're doing so lawfully, and they're not infringing on anybody, including this gentleman's personal rights. And it takes time, and there's so much evidence to gather in situations like this, so much video evidence, so much social media evidence.
Stanton says 80 to 90% of cases are played out before going to criminal court. And in this case, he says that's the likeliest outcome. If it goes to court, though, it will first go to criminal court in a federal district court. Then there is the possibility of it progressing to civil court.
Now, later on, that officer can sue the individuals involved in this case. He could sue, obviously, for punitive damages, and he could also serve for compensatory damages. At the same time, the defendant can also sue civilly.
As for Head, he is innocent until proven guilty.
We'll have to see how that plays out in the court of law.
Head has a significant list of previous crimes here in our region. Stanton says some of those charges may be used against Head when his bail is determined for the 13 charges he now faces for the Capitol breach in January. Reporting live in Kingsport, Bianca MARAIS, News Channel 11.